Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to find or locate your Telegram downloaded file location. So when you download file in Telegram such as photos, videos or documents, they are typically saved to a specific folder on your device. The exact location may vary depending on the device's operation system and how you've configured Telegram settings. Here's how you can find it. First of all, you need to open up your device manager app, and this may be called as file manager or something similar. So type in file manager, and when you locate it, now navigate to the internal storage of your device. So over here you should be able to see this option as downloaded on WhatsApp, Telegram or whatsoever. You can categorize it by going to the images, and here you should be able to locate Telegram. As you can see, in my case I have a Telegram. So when you press on it, you'll be able to access the photos, videos or any sort of data that you've downloaded through your Telegram app. If you wish to if you wish to change your downloaded location, you can exit out of your file manager and go to Telegram. And when you go to Telegram, then you can just go ahead and tap the tab bar icon and go to settings, and here you should be able to find this option as data and storage. So over here you have this option as save to gallery, so you can just go ahead and enable what sort of stuff you wish to download and change your location whatsoever. So that's basically how you can locate your downloaded files location in Telegram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.